close your eyes.
Okay, so I hope all of you had a wonderful session, and you were able to connect with the instructions that were given to you. Is there anybody who would like to probably share, maybe, or I can do a quick thing on the chat window? Just write one word, how you felt while you were doing the meditation. It could be anything. Can you just quickly type in the chat window? Just write one word. Okay. Great. I don't want anybody to hesitate. Feel free to express your emotions as in how you felt. Unmute and let me know. How did you feel when you were sharing so much of love for yourself, which you have been avoiding all this while? Okay, it is Olivier, if I'm not wrong. Do you want to speak?
At one time, I felt like crying because I have neglected myself love so much. And from now on, I really am going to go full out to love myself and
That's
to share
the
this
spirit.
love.
That's the spirit.
Share this love with everyone.
Yes. And you
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You would be a love magnet. If you're doing that, you will attract
yes.
love. Just mark my
I realize
words.
that.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for
Most
bringing
welcome.
this to us.
So for the next 24 hours, I want all of